this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Calculate matrix to act as a data analysis template for different search queries used in the IADS Post-Test Explorer system. So right now, I'm on the Calculate page of the Post-Test Explorer client. I've done a search query for certain type of maneuvers that with accelerometers that exceed a certain value, and I've gotten a collection of results here, 18 results that have populated in my matrix. And I've already populated my matrix with some calculated columns. I've added an accelerometer column to show raw data, and I've added some columns to calculate the average, minimum, and maximum of that accelerometer across these results. Now, one of the things about this matrix is that you can change the search query and the analysis routines in the matrix will stay in place. So what that means is I can change the search query. I will get a completely different collection of results in the matrix here, and all of these analysis functions that I have defined here will be recalculated to match whatever time ranges come off of whatever flights are returned from this updated search query. Here's an example. I'm going to go into my maneuver list and look at what maneuvers I have available to me. I'm already looking at climb maneuvers, so now I'm going to see what my frequency maneuvers look like. So I'm going to click on frequency. It's going to update the search query, and I'm going to get a whole new collection of results in my analysis matrix. You can see I have 80 results now. I used to have 18, now I have 80. And if you look over here on the right, you can see these analysis functions, the average, the min, and the maximum, have changed. And they've been updated such that now I'm getting the average, minimum, and maximum of this tail accelerometer between this start and stop time for this flight, which is different than what it was with the previous query. So the key here is to understand that once you've defined and added analysis routines to your Calculate matrix, you can change your search query to easily recalculate based on a whole new collection of search results. I can go back to the maneuvers drop down here and I can flip through different maneuvers I have available to me. So I'll see what things look like with the pitch doublets. Looks like I have about 50 of them, and here's the various averages, mins, and maxes. I'll look at the wind-up turns. You can see now they've recalculated the average, mins, and maxes again. And you can repeat that process however often you want. And that's how you use your Calculate matrix to act as a data analysis template in the Post-Test Explorer system.